Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mark Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we shoot guns and shit. Alright, this long journey begins here. You ready? Are you ready?
No.
Why not? 45 minutes or so, 40 miles, I don't know, 45, 50 minutes, I don't know, but it does suck. So every time we go here, we gotta fucking bear this drive, but we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, okay, so we're here. I'm not gonna lie, we've warped ahead like a full day, but I've got a surprise. Oh, look at this, CR250. It's in bad shape, yes. I won't deny that, but it's a bike nonetheless. Guess how much? $150. So it does need a rebuild top and bottom end, but I can do it. Nobody just wants to pay for the labor, but obviously I can do it, so I'm gonna do it, bitch. Two-stroke fun. Fun times ahead, for sure. Fun times ahead. We're gonna go frothy. Frisbee golf. So this frisbee golf course is like a straight line, or not a straight line, but it's like a narrow like pathway. I'm a little afraid to hit houses, but
It smells like lettuce.
Your herb before you get started. So
the devil's lettuce. I don't know where we are. We were playing frisbee golf and we got lost. It's been 3 days. Oh, Zach's throwing his disc because he has mirages of baskets in the distance. We've all become delirious.
Several days later.
You wanna play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend. Get it?
Still going.
Play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend. Yeah. We're in Arizona, off the 87 and Bush Highway, shooting some shit. This is my boy Zach behind the camera.
Yo.
So come back for more, come see some other shit, because I got a lot more stuff to do, sometimes.